bafethu kunjani? Toza abantu on the screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, nani niyazi? Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no
Shapa fethu kunjani cameraman thina Mfakaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
I'm laughing ngoba
Because I'm not
intro yakho ishintshile. You always say Shapa Khosi kunjani?
But I say that intro if it's Biago win or something.
Nibuya kowina nje.
Come on.
Oh,
No the story.
Inconsistency. This fella.
I hope in Grand Makos.
Okay.
I hope in Nama branch. Let's go.
Yeah. On today's episode, we are looking at the Kaizer Chiefs Zala
Makes. Yeah.
Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs is playing at home. Right.
It's Mapida.
Yeah. Oh, home wala. All right.
Always home.
Yeah. So asazi ke bafethu noma nizophuma numbers or you'll continue maybe sending that memo that you delivered there. What's the story? What do you suggest when I say Amakhosi must do?
Oguti, I don't want to say much because we always preach as on our channel. We always preach that people must go.
No, this is an exception.
No,
we're following a trend.
I agree.
We are responding to a trend.
We always preach that people must go to the stadium and all that. And now I never missed the Kaizer Chiefs games in Dalemapida. And in my in Dalemapida, and I'm not going there. Oguti, the disrespect they give us. Now, but they deserve good in this. I got about Funux come must make a stadium, but my grand, that's not my branch, Latin, so it's fine. So I'm saying those about Funuguya, I'm okay with that. I'm a happy. But it's a personal decision now I made. It's okay. I'm not going. That's it.
Do you think
yeah.
Is there a need you would see but advertise about tickets out there?
Or
they should just down.
Give the franchise. Then they will go there. I'm not saying we're buying merchandise, we're doing all these things. But must not taking merchandise about you to which branch you come from. Yes. They collect mine. But when you say, hey Nina, fire these people, but where which branch?
Which branch?
You know, so those who wanna call they can call. Because it chips in hand. That's a fact. So but today
what I keeps disappointing you.
Was chips until they listen.
Yeah.
What ngathi bangawina. Because if bawina bayitshela ukuthi benza kahle, so it's fine.
Kodwa manje lokho angithi kujabulisa nina. All of a sudden uzoba ngazo sama results.
No.
The last game you won it 1-0. Okay, maybe you needed a win more than anything.
Okay. We might have needed the win to push confident abadlali. I get that.
Yes.
But how you play, how you play, and how you get the win, it's a problem. Because that win, it's not like they were convincing. They're still the same case Chiefs. What about winning? But there's nothing.
They will win.
Obvious, because they're playing what?
They're playing against Marquez. Yes.
Let's get to the game.
Take that thing away from Marquez. They're fighting relegation. In fact, they look like they are going down.
Yeah.
So maybe they might pull out a surprise.
They might, because if you're taking a home game with KZN, you know what's FNP? It's how many team they don't feel comfortable with playing FNP because it's big and all that. So the Chiefs is taking this game to Moses Mapida. I don't know for whatever reason, but they're always home. So Marquez is fighting relegation. They can surprise Kaizer Chiefs.
I feel like it's
Yeah.
I'm a diehard branch members will go
I'm full of sticking land to your branches and all that.
Branch members.
Yeah, branch members will go.
Yeah.
I mean sharp.
Yeah.
Sharp cool. But speaking of Kaizer Chiefs, yeah. Because we need to be honest, looking with E7 seats, they won. It's fine. We needed the 3 points, you know. But the current thing you notice in that game, a good team, you see who left.
Yeah.
Ulilepo, it's a very good player for me, right? But I feel like he's not properly coached.
Oh yeah.
Because the reason why I'm saying that, if you look at that goal, it's a very brilliant goal. And Ulilepo, how many goals he have that are so brilliant? It's quite a lot, you know. So that is why sometimes he always shoot, always shoot, always shoot. He wants, but it's not properly coached because the decision he makes sometimes they're questionable. In a place where you should just pass a player who's in a better position that can score, or shoot, yeah, because Value shoots and he's good.
Yeah.
But if he was properly coached, he will make better decisions.
I guess alright.
You know, so Chiefs do have these players for me.
Hey, but Lilepo. I think it's
No,
that's what you have.
Wait, yes, that was quality.
After
But he's not coached.
After how many tries?
Okay. It's because I got coached. Because I never in a better position. No. For the sake of shy, no. Pass. Yes. He's a good player, but if he was properly coached, not by these translators, so but yeah.
How come Vele or Coach Marco, they were not called plumbers, whereas ours had to prove themselves?
At least I think it's better because a plumber has is plumber. And then these ones they're not called plumber because they came as translators.
Oh, so they already had the title.
Yes,
we just changed that title to coaching.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Exactly. So that's the problem. Kaizer Chiefs needs to get rid of these guys. Okay. Then we are cool. I'm back to the stadium.
Yeah, but to tell us what to go to I'm still in the mood. Whatever Kaizer Chiefs is doing.
Yes.
Management,
correct.
Shame. I can't be deceived by my results at this stage, you know.
We won.
Yeah. And you bring stats, you deliver memos. Aye. Well, some of my fans they did well.
Yes.
Because they showing ukuthi bona bafuna ukuthi team yenze kahle. Kodwa response abayitholayo
we're doing it out of love. Like, we are giving a middle finger.
Exactly.
No.
Yeah, so tell us bafowethu ukuthi nina nicabangani nge-Chiefs. Ningadeceive ama-results. Ama-results can change. Izodliwa, ingadliwa the next game.
Yes.
Nikhale futhi. Yabo.
Because you
cannot cry and be happy at the same time. You don't know where you stand. At this stage, until they fix internal issues about now, I don't see them finishing with top 3. That's what I will say.
Yes. And the sporting director would say a mandate until we need to play Champions League.
Yeah.
Champions League. And then coach translates it. If I can finish number 3, I'll be here. So
yeah.
Conte off.
Yeah, but again, it's an interesting game.
Yeah.
Okay,
it's fighting relegation.
Struggling. Also, in case Chiefs is struggling, trying to gain that confidence and momentum at the same time. It would be an interesting game. It would be a learning curve for the translators. The translators, yes. It will be a learning curve, because it looks like they are learning on the job, you know. So
Kaizer Chiefs is a very big institute. You go to Mwala, numbers of phone that. Oh, phone them 17. My intern.
Oh, okay.
Oh. So, but in my case can surprise them because in my case, I get to Ibia who came here behind a Chief was losing 2-0. It shows with in my case, they have a fighting spirit.
I don't see them coming back.
Speaking.
I wouldn't judge them by cheaper
cheapers on
bad substitutions. I make a clear situation. But honestly speaking, I didn't watch that game.
But as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, obviously, I wish nothing but the best to the boys. Obviously, they punish Makesi, and I see us collecting the 3 points.
Right. Sengivala ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi isigqoko sakho leso sithenge kanjani? Did you buy it through branches? How did you buy this?
Angithi phela uma uthenga nemajezi uthenga everything. You are never asked which branch you belong to.
Hey. Okay,
ngithenga amakoneni bathi bafuna i-membership card ngathi anginayo.
Cut. See you on another one.